Usnea, commonly known as grey man's beard, is a lichen that is more than just a simple plant. It's a symbiotic relationship between a fungus and an algae. This unique lichen is renowned not only for its distinctive appearance, but also for its versatile uses in traditional medicine, particularly for its potent antimicrobial properties. Habitat and growth. Usnea thrives in moist, temperate forests worldwide, often found hanging from tree branches like wispy grey-green strands. This lichen prefers old-growth environments with clean air, as it is highly sensitive to airborne pollutants. Usnea's growth is slow, and it can indicate the health of the ecosystem in which it resides. Identification. Usnea is easily identified by its stringy, hair-like appearance, which feels slightly elastic when wet. Its color ranges from pale grey to greenish yellow. A simple test to confirm it is Usnea involves gently pulling a strand apart. A white, elastic cord will be visible inside the otherwise brittle structure. Edible uses. While not commonly consumed for its flavor or nutritional value, Usnea can be used as a survival food in emergency situations. It is typically prepared as a tea or infused into other liquids. Medicinal uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Usnea is highly regarded for its medicinal properties, primarily its antibiotic, antifungal, and antimicrobial capabilities. It contains usneic acid, which is effective against bacteria, including Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, and MRSA, as well as some strains of tuberculosis. Its antiviral properties help combat viruses such as Epstein-Barr, herpes, and HPV. Respiratory system. Usnea can be used in treating respiratory infections, helping to alleviate symptoms and combat the underlying infections. Urinary tract and kidneys. It aids in the treatment of infections affecting the urinary tract, bladder, and kidneys. Skin problems. Usnea is beneficial for various skin conditions, including wounds, infections, yeast infections, and more common issues like athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, dandruff, and other fungal infections. Eye health. In cases of conjunctivitis, Usnea-based preparations can help reduce infection and soothe irritation. Hemostatic properties. Usnea can be used to stop bleeding in minor injuries, making it a valuable addition to natural first aid kits. Harvesting Usnea. To harvest Usnea, gently collect strands from tree branches, ensuring not to harm the tree or the lichen colony. It is crucial to harvest from areas far from roads, industries, or polluted sites, as Usnea absorbs toxins from its environment. Warnings. While Usnea is beneficial for short-term use, it should not be used continuously over long periods, as the long-term effects are not well understood. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid using Usnea internally due to the lack of safety data. Also, due to its ability to absorb environmental toxins, it's important to ensure that Usnea is harvested from areas free of pollutants. Usnea is a remarkable lichen with significant medicinal properties, particularly its ability to combat a range of microbial infections. However, its use requires careful consideration of harvesting locations and duration of use to avoid potential adverse effects. As with any medicinal herb, consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment is advisable.